this video, we will be discussing about clear digits. You are given a string S. Your task is to remove all digits by doing this operation repeatedly. Delete the first digit and the closest non-digit character to its left. Return the resulting string after removing all digits. So what they are saying is that in the input, we are given a string S which can consist of digits and lowercase English alphabets. Now what we need to do is that we need to repeatedly keep on removing the digits from the string. And whenever we are removing a digit from a string, then whichever is the non-digit character present towards its left and it is closest, that character also need to be removed along with the digit, right? So for example, if I am removing this 3, then which is the non-digit character towards its left, which is present closest to it? It is B, right? So then that means whenever I'm removing 3, I will also have to remove B, right? So I have to repeat this process for all the digits. First, I need to remove the first digit, then the second digit, and so on, right? And then once we have removed all the digits, at the end, whatever is our remaining string, that we need to return as our answer. Correct. Now, in the follow-up, it is mentioned that the input is generated such that it is possible to delete all the digits, right? So see, if we look at the first example, so this is a character. So we will keep it in our answer. This is a character, we will keep it in our answer. This is a character, we will keep it in our answer. We are done with this string. We didn't encounter any of the digits, right? So then that means the remaining string will be this and this is our answer. Then if we look at the second example, so here, this is a character, right? So we will keep it in our answer. This is a character, we will keep in our answer. But now this is a digit. So now, whenever I have encountered a digit, then that means I need to remove it. This is the first digit that I am encountering. I have to remove this, and along with this, I also have to remove the non-digit character which is present towards the left, closest to this digit. Right. So now if you closely look that in this particular resulting string, we are only adding the characters, right? So whenever I am encountering a digit in the string S, then the non-digit character closest to it towards the left will be nothing but the last character in your remaining string, right? So closest to 3 will be 4, which is present here, the last character. So whenever we are encountering a digit, what we will simply do is that from this remaining string, whatever is the last character, we will remove it, right? So now we have removed 3 and along with it, we have removed the closest non-digit character towards its left, right? Then next is 4. So see, this was our string. When we removed B and 3, then what will remain? C4. This will remain. Now for 4, what is the closest non-digit character towards its left? C, right? And that is what we have here. This is the last character in the remaining string, right? So we will simply remove this as well. And we are done with the string S. So this empty string is what is remaining and this is our answer, right? If we consider one more example, if let us suppose that our string is something like A, B3, C4, right? So now here what you would do? First you would remove 3, right? Because this is the first digit and along with it you would remove B. So your string would be AC4. Then you would remove 4. Along with it you would remove C, right? So final string would be A, right? Then let's try to find out the answer with our approach. So here what we will do, first character is A, we will simply keep it. Second is B, we will keep it. Third character is a digit, this is 3. So with this we will have to remove the last character. So B will be removed. Then we have a character, so C will be appended here. Then we have a digit. So with that we will remove the last character. And then we are done with the string and this is our answer which is correct. So simply what we will do is that we will maintain an answer string which will be empty initially and then we will start iterating in this string S, right? If a character is a digit, in that particular case we will simply pop back from the string. So this will remove whatever is the last character present in the string. And if it is not a digit, right, if it is a non-digit character, then we will just append it in our answer, right? This is what we will do. And at the end, this answer is our remaining string which we need to return. Now here we will only be iterating once in the string S and both of these operations will take constant time. So the time complexity over here will be order of n, and the space complexity will be constant. So now let's look at the code. So here firstly we will create the answer string, and then we will start iterating in the string s for each of the character. Now if this character is a digit, so for checking that we can use an inbuilt function is digit. So if the character is a digit, then in that case we will pop back from our answer, and if it is not a digit, then we will simply append it in our answer, right? And then at the end over here we will just return this answer. So let's run this. And as we discussed, the time complexity here will be order of n, and space complexity will be constant. So let's submit this. So it got accepted. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video and subscribe our channel.